In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your website files with Hostinger by setting up and accessing an FTP account. If you're new to web hosting or just getting started with Hostinger, navigating through the platform might seem a bit overwhelming. That's why we are here to simplify things by breaking down each step in this process. First, you need to visit the Hostinger homepage. Upon reaching the site, you'll see the login option if you aren't already signed in. Once you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard, a centralized hub from where you can manage all aspects of your website hosting. From here, what you want to do is locate the Websites section. This is your starting point for accessing all your hosted websites and their specific settings. Next up, you need to head over to the Dashboard section of your specific website. You'll find this easily within the Websites menu. Think of the dashboard as the cockpit of your hosting plan, which provides a variety of tools and settings to manage your site efficiently. In navigating to this part, you're essentially preparing to delve deeper into the file management side of things. Now let's focus on how to handle your files. Within the dashboard, look for the Files option. Clicking on it takes you to where you can manage all your website files. This is crucial for uploading new content or modifying existing site data directly through Hostinger's File Manager. To set up for file transfers, you'll need to access the FTP accounts, which is found under the Files section. FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, is a standard network protocol used to transfer files from one host to another over a TCP-based network, such as the Internet. By using FTP accounts, you can quickly upload, download, or manage your files externally, which comes in really handy, especially for bulk uploads or when using web development applications. Once you've navigated to the FTP accounts page, you might be curious about connecting to an FTP account if you're unfamiliar with the process. Hostinger provides a helpful guide on their website. Look for the link that says How to Connect to an FTP Account. Clicking this will provide you instructions to set up an FTP client, such as Filezilla, which is a popular choice among developers. Finally, you may want to create a new FTP account if you are managing multiple users, or require separate credentials for different projects or team members. The option to create a new FTP account is straightforward. You simply click on this to start entering your desired credentials for the new account. And there you go. With these steps, you have now set up your FTP account with Hostinger, allowing for smooth and efficient file transfers. Mastering these tools will elevate your web management skills, providing you flexibility and control over your website's files. We hope this guide helps you confidently manage your resources and elevate your online presence. Thank you for tuning in, and happy hosting!